Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray. Underneath there's a 3-liter 6-cylinder turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the appearance package, which is going to give you 20-inch multi-spoke alloys, brushed aluminum running boards, a black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, come around back, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, cargo cover. Alongside we have the lane tracking package, which gives you a blind spot assist, lane keep assist, Premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, illuminated door sill, a wood and leather steering wheel controls, also included smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLS has 46,580 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.